and welcome. Welcome to your day 29. This is 30-day journey and today is a full body practice. Let's get started in child's pose. Open your knees wide, drop your hips and chest down. Allow your eyes to close and your breath to melt. We'll chant one beautiful sound of Om as we stay here. Inhale. Beautiful intention for the practice. Slowly press your palms. Come back up. We'll go for a good roll from your hips and the shoulder. Warming up the wrist, giving it that activation that it deserves. And reverse the direction. And center. Take your knees back and drop your navel down. Shoulders away from the ears, core engaged. Don't fully drop your navel to the floor. Keep it alive. Curl your toes, push it back into downward dog. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, keep your core alive and just keep transitioning. Keep doing this. There is lovely, good heat to the body. Beautiful warming up every corner. Slowly drop on your knees, sit back and breathe. Staying here, we'll just take both the palms on the shoulder and give a good elbow rolls, shoulder rotation, neck straight, and reverse the direction. Relax the hands, roll your neck. Reverse the direction. And center. From here, we slowly step the right leg ahead, open towards the front. Drop the knees, drop the hips, come back up. Drop and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your upper body down and hold here. Slowly come up and change sides. Low and back. Beautiful. Hold, lower your upper torso, straight spine. Feel that in your inner thighs, your groin. And slowly come back up. Wow, lovely. Take your right leg out and straight. Stay here and just drop your body down on the right side. Left palm up and breathe. Slowly come back up. Other side. And up. We'll just curl the toes and sit back on the hips. Sit back on the hips to the heels. Breathe. Drop your hands down. Try to step your both the feet on the floor into a malasana and lift up the hips. And down. Lift up the hips. Keep the hands down. Exhale down. You don't have to straighten the legs fully. Knees can be slightly bent when you lift up the hips. And down. Lift. And down. Beautiful. Relax your face. You're doing amazing. Down. 5. Down. 4. Exhale. 3. Exhale. Last 2. Exhale. I can do this. Last 1. Exhale. Stay in malasana and breathe. Whew. Almost there. And release the hips down. Straighten your legs in front of you. Lovely. Stay. From here, we'll do a reverse plank. You can bend your knees and try this variation first with me. So palms, fingers facing towards the front. Press the palms down and lift up the hips. And exhale, down. Okay? Inhale, lift up the hips. Hold. And exhale, down. You can continue trying this. I'm going to try straightening my leg. I'm trying the same thing with the squeeze between the inner thighs. Inhale, lift up. And down. Inhale, lift up. Squeeze the glutes, lift it higher. And down. Inhale, lift up and hold longer this time. Slowly release. Sit tall, close your eyes and breathe. Sit taller. Don't sink. Keep the knees bent now. Try to hug your chest on your thighs. Wrap it. Keep the spine straight. You slowly extend the leg, one step at a time. Not too much. Very little. Stay. Wherever you sense that your back's starting to round, don't go beyond that. Just stay there. We don't want the spine to round. We want the spine to be straight. Breathe. Slowly stretch your palms on the side. Release the knees and round your back to rest. Slowly come back up. Just take your palms behind, cross the right hand over, and turn around into plank. Palm plank. Beautiful. We'll do some switches with or without the knee, your choice. Let's begin. Keep going. No stopping. Keep your core engaged like a 360-degree belt you're wearing. Almost there. Relax your face muscles. Keep your body alive. Feel free to take a break when you need. Last two. And relax. Sit on your knees or rest in child's pose. Just breathe. Very slowly sit on your hips. Right leg straight, left knee to your chest. Hug it and look back. Breathe. Spine tall, shoulders away from the ears. Switch sides. Spine tall. Let every exhalation give you a little more access. Allow it. Slowly come back center. And relax. Thank you so much for practicing. I hope you have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.